There's this guy. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. And he told me King Joker 8822. If I'm saying that wrong, please comment down below. But he dared me. He notified me to play Cyabon Action 2, and guess what? I actually downloaded Cyabon 2. Well, it's unfair Cyabon 2, so let's get straight into this. Holy crap, that is loud. Hold on, give me a second. Let's turn off the sound there. Okay, here we go. Use the arrow buttons to move and jump. Okay. Dude, that is really loud. Like, I don't like when it's loud. Because now I can't hear what I'm trying to say. Hold on. Can we go back for 1 second and try to... Whoa! Did I just exit out? I didn't mean to exit out of that. I didn't mean to exit out. I was trying to turn off the... Okay, there's no way to turn off the sound? Oh, screw it. Might as well just turn down the volume a bit so you can actually hear me talk. Oh, God. But yeah. This is for you, King Joker, I forgot the name, but... Okay! Well, I didn't know there was actually gonna be that there. Actually, I didn't know it was gonna be there. Like, what? Okay, jump. Jump. These boxes always tell the truth. Okay. Oh, crap. Oh, no! Ah! That's what happens when you go under? Oh, no, not the commercials again. No commercial breaks. Wait, where's the... Okay, it's not there. Where is the exit? Oh, there's a skip. Sorry, I had to... No, no! Oh, no, I didn't mean to push that! Oh, God! I didn't mean to push that! Oh, now I can't. Oh, wait, actually I can. Oh, no, maybe... Okay, there we go. Yeah. I already know it's 2 times already. Body blah blah. Crap. Up, no! I should have jumped. That was on me. Okay, up. Ah! I forgot that there's a box there! Okay. No, jump. No! Okay, alright. I just died 6 times. That is not good at all, my bees. Like, seriously. I died 6 times. If I can just avoid that box. No. God. Oh, no. Come on. Ah! That box is not going to go away. That box is not going to go away, isn't it? Okay. Ah! Yeah, I know that these boxes tell the truth. Like, seriously. No, not again with the commercials. I don't like the commercials. I really don't care. Just exit out of it. Now I died 9 times. Great! That's just perfect. Oh, God. No! Ugh. Should have jumped. I should have jumped that time. Ugh, okay. Ah! How do I get up there? That's what I should think of. How to get up on that box. Okay. Now that I know the box is there, I'm gonna lay down for this one. Dude, this freaking box. How do I get like over this box? God. Okay. 13 times that I died. Oh my god. 14 times. Yes, you know what? I need a hint. And why? And I have no choice but to watch it because, you know, the freaking thing says, like, these seconds. Oh no! What happened? Oh. I knew it! No, okay, enough! Okay. I knew it. I knew you had to jump there. Jump over the... But, so is this one? You gotta be kidding me. Okay, jump over here. Jump off. Then jump here. Avoid that one. There are many traps in this game. That's why you should probably go underneath that. Ah. See? So if you go on top of that other one might be easy, you get spikes. Not a good sign. 17 times? 17 times? Jump! Jump over it! Ooh. Haha. Blue flags? Boom! $18 times? Ah, come on! Freaking spikes on that one? How was I supposed to know? No! No! You can't just do that! You dumb game! Oh! Jump over it! Ah! Really? God! 22 times! Why 22 times? Damn it! I forgot about the spice on that damn box! Okay. Bring it on! No! What happens if I go on top of the other one? Will that work? I just fell! I didn't mean to fall, like... Ooh. I forgot about the spikes! Okay. 28 times. 28 times already. Oh, that's great. Let's make it 29. Okay, that was 29 times I died. Freaking kidding me. $30 times. 30 times. Why 30 times? Oh, that was my fault. 31 times. 31 times. 31. Oh, the top one too. Oh, the freaking top one. The top one has spikes too. I'm not doing well in this damn game. 34 times. 34 times. God damn it, 35 times. 35 times I died. Oh. No, I was right there. No, why did I jump? Okay, 38 times, that's fine. That's okay. I have no problem with that. Except dying 39 times! 39 times. I died 39 times. Make that freaking 40 times! 40 times! Nope. Jump. Jump! No! 41 damn times! Oh, shoot. Oh. 42 times. 42 times. I'm starting to hate it. I'm starting. Okay, I've really 43 times. 43 times. Forty-three, 44 fucking times. Oh my god. Oh. 45 times. Oh my god, I've been doing this for 12 hours already. Fuck. Oh my god. 46 times. 46 times. Oh, yes, yes. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, my God. "47 times. 47 times. 47 times.
Did you know that you can view your
48
whether you're
freaking
in the city,
times.
middle of nowhere, even if you are miles from the nearest.
Oh no, it's 48. Yeah, I said 48. You know, I'm this close to just uninstalling this game. "49 times? 49 times! Can I please just... Ooh, this... 50 times. 50 times. Oh my god.
Is that you?
Yeah?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Just playing a game.
Well, don't be throwing your phone.
I won't.
Because you break it, you have to buy a new one.
Alright. 51. That thing flies me into the air? Oh no, I was too late! Oh. Yeah, I'm actually having fun on this game. I'm just jumping around. What the? That blocking? Ah! Yeah, totally fun. Not stressful at all. 54 times. Yay! Ah, 55 times! Yay! 55 times! Congratulations for dying 55 freaking times! God damn it. Oh my god! Oh my god! 57 times! Come on. You know what? One more time. If I die one more time, I'm deleting it. Ah! Oh no, that's not fair! My freaking phone glitched! My freaking phone! Oh my god. No, don't go slow, you stupid phone, go fast! Oh god! Stop going slow! Ah! Excuse me, pardon me. Oh no, come on! Why are you being so slow? Jump over that thing! Don't you jump on it! Don't you jump on it! Okay. I'm done. I'm done. Just figuratively done with this. Oh, now you're gonna go fast. I just popped my knuckles. My left knuckles. Because this game is really starting to piss me off. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, no! No, I can't do it anymore. No, I'm done. I'm done. No, I'm freaking done. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm done. I can't do it anymore. I'm done. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out, and if you want to see more videos like this. But I can't remember his name now. King Joker guy. King Joker. If you're hearing this, thank you for the what do they call those? Thank you for the notification notifying me for playing this game. But I just can't do it. I can't do it. It's figuratively, legitimately impossible. This game is stressful to the point where I just cracked my knuckles. So I'm just done. I'm gonna be done. I'm just gonna be done for this video. But if you would like to see more, comment down below. If you want to see more of this or any other Rage game, just notify me what other games you want me to play. It can be a Rage game. It can be. You could also be like whatever you like, reaction videos. You want me to react to, like trailers of movies or just anything. It could be like, just notify me and I'll do that. But anyway, I'm done with this video. I'm gonna be anyway. Wait, did I just say that twice in a row of this video? Maybe that's like that's the point how this game's like 100% to the point. That's how stressful this game is. Where I just said the same thing twice because I'm so damn like so damn raged out from this game. So anyway, if you want to see more Rage games, notify me and I'll do one. Or if you want to see me play a Nintendo Switch game or an Oculus game, notify me and I'll do that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry I've been gone, but if you haven't seen the other video, the video that I was talking about me testing positive for COVID, it's on my YouTube page. It's in my videos. So yeah. So anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. Also, just one more thing to say: stay humble and stay brave, my bees.